In the last video, we have seen the substitution method, how to solve the example using substitution method. In this video, we will see the example based on it. First example I will take is that is a root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is an example, and this example we have to solve using substitution method. So I will write here in answer root 3x plus root 3y is equal to 0. This is equation number first, whereas root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is the equation number second. So I will write here from equation first. From equation first, I will write here we will convert this first equation in any one of the variables. So I will write in term of x or in term of y. So I will write here in term of y as, here I will write this 2x will shift towards right hand side. So what we get here, root 3y is equal to 0 already is there, and if we shift this root 2x towards right hand side, what we get, minus root 2x. But here no need to write this 0. This 0 we can directly remove from it. So directly what we get, root 3y is equal to only minus root 2x. Once we get the value of root 3y is equal to root 2x, what we'll do here now, we'll shift this root 3. Why? Because we want the value in terms of one variable. So what I will do here, I will shift this root 3 towards right hand side. So root 3 ने इधर y के साथ क्या किया है, multiplication किया है. So when we will shift this root 3 towards right hand side, this root 3 divides to this root 2x. So that we get y is equal to minus root 2x upon root 3. That gives y is equal to, okay, directly this is a value. So root 2x upon root 3. I will give this equation number third, or simply we can say this is nothing but the value of that particular y. So now what we will do, this value of y we have solved from equation number फर्स्ट. मैंने इसको सॉल्व किया है कौन सी इक्वेशन का यूज करके, इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट का यूज करके सॉल्व किया है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, I will put this value, I will substitute this value in term of equation number second, and that is nothing but the substitution method. So what I will do, I will substitute, I will write here substitute or put also we can write substitute value of y in equation second. Why equation second? Because value of y we have obtained from equation number first. So I will write here equation number second. What is equation number second? Equation number second is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. So now here what is the value of y? The value of y is what? I will write here root 3x as it is, this, minus sign. This y we will replace with this in bracket minus root 2x upon root 3. This is nothing but the value of y is there. So this will multiply with what? We will multiply this with root 8. So that is nothing but root 3x minus root 8 into minus root 2x upon root 3 is equal to 0. So what we get here now, I will write it properly. So that is a root 3x minus root 8 into minus root 2x upon root 3 is equal to 0. Now here this we can write as it is, root 3x minus, now this root 8 we can multiply inside, this minus sign and this minus sign will get plus sign, minus into minus plus. So that's why I will write here this sign should be प्लस, ये साइन माइनस और माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस. दिस रूट 2 इंटू रूट 6 रूट 8 into root 2, what we'll get? Root 8 into root 2 will get root 16, because this number is also there in root, this number is also there in root, we can directly multiply this number, so we will get root 16, that is root 3x plus root 16x upon root 3 is equal to 0. Now we'll do here cross multiplication. Now we can do here cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, it means in the denominator of root 3 what we get, 1 is there. So here we can multiply now by cross. If we do the cross multiplication, what we get, root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 we get 3 plus what is root 16, root 16 it means this, sorry, root 3 into root 3 x, we get here 3x, 3 and x is there, root 3 into root 3 x, this x is there, this x as it is, root 3 into root 3 3, so you will get 3x. This root 16 it means 4x and upon root 3, and that is equal to 0. So now this root 3 if we multiply with the 0, then first of all we'll add this numerator. So 3x plus 4x equal to 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x is equal to 0 into root 3. So that gives 7x is equal to 0. So 7 is multiplying with x. If we shift to our right hand side, we will get in division, that is x equal to 0 upon 7, that gives x equal to 0. So this is nothing but the value of x equal to 0. So first value we have obtained. Now we'll substitute this value in equation number 3rd. Whatever the value of x that we have obtained, that value will put in equation number 3rd. So I will write here y is equal to, what is the value of y? The value of y is a minus root 2 x upon root 3 is equal to, so that gives the value of x equal to 0, that will put here, so that will give minus root 2 upon root 3 into 0. And anything, this whatever is answer is there, if we multiply with 0, then what we get, answer as a 0 only. Whatever number is there, if we multiply that number with 0, then answer will get 0. So here it means value of y is also equal to 0. So I will write at the last y is also equal to 0. It means whatever the values of x and y are there, that we have obtained from the given equation using substitution method. So at the last I will write here, therefore x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 is solution of given linear equation. So here this is an example. Now second example I will take. Second example I will take. The example is a 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. This is a first equation, whereas x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. This is the last example from that exercise, same exercise. I have taken this example for practice purpose, so that you will not get confusion while solving the examples. Now here these two equations are there. First of all, what I will do, I will convert these given equation in a simple form, in a standard form. I will try to solve this first, and then we will convert this in any one of the variable, and that is nothing but the substitution method. So first what I will do here, I will do the cross multiplication of this first equation, and I will convert this in a simple term. So now here what we'll do, we'll first multiply. So first of all I will give the name to this equation as equation number first and second. So I will write here 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. Okay, directly I will solve this. So here 3 into 3 and 2 into 5. So we'll do here cross multiplication. What I will do here? Here I will do the cross multiplication, because minus sign is there, and it is possible to solve this using cross multiplication method. So I will write here 3 3 is a 9x minus 2 5 is a 10y upon 3 2 is a 6, and that is equal to what? Minus 2. So now this 6 will shift toward that side. So what we'll get? 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12, and now this I will give you as equation number first. This I will give you as equation number first. So now whatever equation first is there that we have obtained from this, now this second also will solve. I will solve this here only for avoiding the confusion and so that you will get an idea. So now here again we can do the cross multiplication. Here it is possible to do the cross multiplication, so I will write 2 into x will get here 2x plus 3 into y and 3 if we multiply, then we will get 3y upon 2 into 3, that we get here 6, and that is equal to what? 13 upon 6. Now here this 6 is there in division. If we take toward that side, then it will get in multiplication. हम यहाँ पे ऐसा भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगेन 6 को इस ब्रैकेट के इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 6 को 13 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, बट दैट इज समवॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. It is possible directly to divide this 6 with this 6, so that I will take here 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 upon 6 and into 6. This 6 is there in division, that side will get in multiplication. So now this 6 and that 6 get cancelled. So at the last we will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, and that is nothing but equation number second. So now here we have obtained the two equations, equation number first and equation number second. Here equation number first and equation number second. Now these two equation will solve. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें से कोई भी एक इक्वेशन को एक वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. तो यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए क्या, तो 9, 10, 12, 2, 3, 13, इन दोनों को कंपेयर करते तो इसमें थोड़ी स्मॉलर वैल्यूज है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू हियर, I will convert the equation number second in term of x के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ. So I will write here from equation second का यूज करके क्या लिखेंगे हम, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन सेकंड में क्या करता है, इसको y के इस टर्म को ट्रांसफर करता हूँ टू राइट हैंड साइड. सो अगर 3y को ट्रांसफर किया मैंने राइट हैंड साइड में, अगर शिफ्ट किया तो 3y इधर प्लस है, उधर जाके माइनस होगा. सो दैट विल गेट 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. नाउ ये होने के बाद अब मैं क्या करता हूँ, इस 2 को भी शिफ्ट करता हूँ. वाई, बिकॉज वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन वन वेरिएबल. हमें सिर्फ x की वैल्यू चाहिए, हमें सिर्फ यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, x. रिमेनिंग सबको शिफ्ट करना है. सो नाउ हियर व्हाट विल गेट हियर, x is equal to 13 minus 3y and this upon 2 will get here upon 2. नाउ अब यहाँ पे ये x की वैल्यू मिली मुझे इन टर्म ऑफ y, बट इसको मैं एक नाम भी देता हूँ, इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड. ये भी हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इसको. वन ऑप्शन इज देयर वी हैव. नाउ व्हाट विल डू, अब हमने जो x की वैल्यू ऑब्टेन की है मिली हमें कौन सी इक्वेशन का यूज करके मिली है, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 को सॉल्व करके हमें ये मिले. सो ऑब्वियसली मैं इसको अभी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में नहीं रखूंगा. दिस वैल्यू आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट इन इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. व्हाई, बिकॉज दिस वी हैव ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल राइट हियर substitute x in equation first में रखूंगा. what is equation first now, so equation first I will write first, that is equal 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. ये इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट है. सो अगर मैंने इसमें अगर वैल्यू रख दी इस x के जगह पे ये वैल्यू, this value I will put in place of x. so what will get here, 9 in bracket 13 minus 3y upon 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So now this 9 we can multiply with this numerator only. 9 13 के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करेगा और 9 3 के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई करेगा, and 9 should not multiply with the 2. Why? Because 2 is there in the denominator and this 9 is there in the numerator. So numerator के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. So I will write here 9 into 13 will get here 117 minus 9 into 3 27y upon what, upon this 2 is there minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now again this 117 as it is, will again do the cross multiplication. ये यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, 10y के डिनोमिनेटर में 1 है. सो नाउ अगर हम इनकी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, सो व्हाट वी गेट हियर 117 or 117 minus 27y minus this 2 we can multiply with this 10. So 2 into 10 will get here 20y upon 2 is equal to minus 2. So sometime what will most of the students are doing, like 2 directly they are shifting towards right hand side without multiplying with this 10. So that's why they are getting the wrong answer. So while taking this 2 towards right hand side, before taking it we have to first multiply this to the whatever the term is there here. इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके ही हम उसको भेज सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट नहीं भेज सकते. सो मैंने यहाँ पे पहले क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है. नाउ आई विल टेक दिस 2 टुवर्ड्स राइट हैंड साइड. सो व्हाट विल गेट हियर 117 माइनस दिस 27 प्लस 20 विल गेट minus 47y, and this 2 if we take to our right hand side, what will get minus 12 into 2. So now here we will get 117 minus 47y is equal to this 12 into 2 minus 24. So now here we get minus 47y is equal to minus 24. This 117 if you shift toward right hand side, what will get here minus 117. So now at the last we'll get minus 47y is equal to, if we add this, because both are having plus sign, sorry both are having minus sign, both are having same sign, so we will add this. इनको हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. So once we add this, what we get answer as minus 141. So now here this 47 is there in the multiplication. If we take on the right hand side, अगर इस 47 को हम right hand side में लेते तो ये मिलेगा मुझे y is equal to minus 141 upon minus 47. So that we get here y equal to this minus and get cancel. 47 1s are 47, 47 3s are 141. So we will get y equal to 3. This is nothing but the value of y. Now what I will do here, I will put the value of y, put y equal to 3 in equation. Which equation? Directly we have to obtain the value of x. So I will put in this. You can put the value of y in equation number first also, or equation number second also, or equation number third also. In any equation you can put the value of y, you will get the value of x. आपने अगर y की वैल्यू कोई भी इक्वेशन में रखी तो आपको x का आंसर मिल जाएगा. बट मैं यहाँ पे x मैंने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया है यहाँ पे, तो मैं इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में रखता हूँ. आप कोई भी इक्वेशन में रखो और चेक करो कि आंसर वही आता है या नहीं आता है. सो आई विल राइट हियर पुट इन इक्वेशन नंबर 3. मैं यहाँ पे y की वैल्यू 3 जो है वो इक्वेशन नंबर 3 में रखता हूँ. सो दिस विल गेट x इक्वल टू 13 माइनस 3 इंटू 3 upon 2. So that we get x equal to 13 minus 9 upon 2. So that gives x equal to 4 upon 2, and that is nothing but x equal to 2. And therefore at the last we can say x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 is the solution of given linear equations. So now in this way we have solved these 2 examples using substitution method. Try to solve different example, minimum 10 example you have to solve from OSWAL using substitution method only. Then and that you will get an idea about this method. If you are facing any difficulties, then put that question in the group. I will solve that question.